Who knows what evil lurks in the hearts of men?
Why? You're making a mess. I'm gonna have to start limiting the amount of toys you have access to.
Household Brands Corporation offices are listed in your telephone book.
Like, look at all this. Look at all the toys that you've gotten out. Stevie, what do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say? Lucy? Hi! Yeah! What you doing? Why? Are you exhausted? We haven't even gone yet. Sit down. You're hissing in the mirror. Everyone can see our laundry. Built together?
Light Chocolate cream, a mellow, mild cream,
Over there.
a winning smoke by far.
The hood.
Can search every
There you go. Look at that.
time. You taught me the cream of cigar.
Levi make that, right? Isn't this the one he made? Look how nice it is. It fits perfect. You're a combination of several links, aren't you? Yeah, because this is
Can we go now?
Wind Waker? No?
No, this is another dude.
Oh, that's the Master Sword? Yes. And that's what?
Go!
Hyrule Shield.
The Hyrule Shield? So what is this sword then?
Master Sword.
It's just the Master Sword? I thought that Wind Waker was blue.
Sword in every game.
I thought Wind Waker was blue.
Yeah, there is a blue outfit.
Oh, but the sword isn't different for that? It's just the outfit. Roro's getting vicious with us. You need to let it dry, baby.
I can't like this one.
No, we will not.
Ready. She's fine. What'd you get? Bracelet? Yes. Makes it more spooky. Alright, Stevie. It's alright, Stevie. It was from Bev's. Yeah, here will. Thanks, Stevie. You did a lot, baby. You're doing really good. You really are. Oh my love. Alright, and there's home. Right behind the maze, huh?
Yeah, but kind of like sometimes.
Rock-a-bye your baby with a Dixie melody.
My goodness.
When you croon a tune from the heart of Dixie. Hang that cradle, Mammy Mar, right on that Mason-Dixon line. And swing it from Virginia,
Careful.
Tennessee, with all the soul that's in you.
Stevie, you can't have chocolate.
Come on, my lady.
Red,
Let me sing it again for me. And old Black Joe.
What do you have?
Just as
Did you get jerky?
you have me on your knee. A million baby kisses I'll deliver if you will only sing the Swanee River rock-a-bye. You'll rock-a-bye, baby, with a Dixie melody. Rock-a-bye, hush-a-bye, with a Dixie melody. When you croon a tune from the heart of Dixie. Hang that cradle, mammy mine, right on that Mason-Dixon line, and swing it from Virginia to Tennessee with all of the soul that's in you. Mammy, listen what they're playing. They're playing Weep No More, My Lady. Sing it for me. And old Black Joe, just as low you had me on your knee. A million baby kisses I'll deliver if you will only sing the Swanee River rock-a-bye. Your rock-a-bye, baby, with a Dixie melody.
We interrupt this episode to bring you exciting news about how you can support small businesses. Stay tuned after the show to learn more. Are you tired of losing your spot in your knitting? Would you like to add some unique handmade items to your accessories? Look no further than Simply Serving on Etsy.com. Simply Serving is a woman-run handmade business that offers a wide range of handmade products. From stitch markers and progress keepers to earrings and necklaces, handmade in the central United States, Simply Serving can guarantee a personalized experience for artists and lovers of the arts. Using crafting supplies such as economically sourced wood, polymer clay, and US printed paintings, Simply Serving is sure to have something you will love. So head on over to simplyserving.etsy.com and see how you can support artists who make their living with their own two hands. Simply Serving. Notions and accessories, handmade just for you.